Today I want to introduce you to this wireless solar driveway alarm. In the alarm off, work with receiver mode. The receiver will have an alarm bell when it receives the signal emitted by the owl, telling the owner that a car is coming in where the owl transmitter is placed. In the sound and light mode, the owl transmitter will send out a 120 decibel sound alarm and flashing light alarm at the same time in order to scare away thieves. In the light mode, the owl transmitter will send a flashing light alarm to achieve the purpose of warning small animals. I think you will find this very useful for many applications around your home.